Hello there fam, it's your boy Investor Black and I welcome you to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can successfully find legit 100x meme coins to trade and make profit. If that is what you want to learn, then this video is for you. I'm going to start with the basics, then I'm going to run through this checklist, and at the end of the day, you'll be able to know how to do this. So what are the basics? So I'm going to just check that. So basically what you are doing here is you are looking for the coin, you're discovering the coin, then you are researching the coin, then you're buying the coins that fit your description and you are selling them off for profit. This is basically what you do over and over and over again to make profit, and there are many tools and techniques to do this, but I'm going to start with the simple tools, then subsequently in other videos I'm going to show you other ways to go about it. So how do you even find strong meme coins? You can simply find strong meme coins by using some simple tools known as screeners. The tool you can see in front of you is known as dextools.io. This tool is a screener and is also a trading tool. You can use this tool to screen and also trade by connecting your wallet to the tool. You can connect your wallet by clicking on the connect wallet button and you choose your wallet. But I'm not going to connect my wallet. Basically, I'm just going to show you how you can use it to find coins. So there are like two ways to do this. The first way is to just go through the home page and see coins that have been performing well. When you see a coin that has been here for like 2 days non-stop, then you know that coin is in a bull run and you can actually scoop some amount of profit from the coin. But a lot of coins that show here, if you go jump into those coins, you will be too late already, because most of the profit has been made. As you can see, this is 1000%, 1000%, 800%, and so on and so forth. So you basically don't want to go into those coins because they have already almost gotten to the end of the bull run, and the people that are joining in late are the people that are going to take the fall. So to actually find coins that have just been listed that you can place on your watch list and enter at the right time, all you have to do is head over to this place that says live new pairs. Then you click here, then you're going to see a list of pairs as they are being released in real time. As you can see, this one right here has just been released 36 seconds ago, 55 seconds ago, less than a minute, 1 minute, 2 minutes, 2 minutes, 4 minutes, and so on and so forth. Right, as you see this one right here, they say it has been rug pulled, right? So that gives you an idea, something that was just 6 minutes ago and boom, it has been rug pulled, minus 96%. So if you had jumped on this coin without doing the due diligence, then you would have lost your money 96%. So how do you go about finding these coins? Well, you have to filter out these coins to find out the ones that have that fits the criteria. Okay, so the first step to getting the coin is to filter it. So these coins right here, you can't actually filter it from this part, so you have to head over to this place that says Dex board, then you click on it, then scroll down to this place where it's going to show you all the pairs. So these are all the pairs, and you can also switch from the tab to the gainers and the losers and so on and so forth, right? But what I want to show you now is basically how to filter out these coins and the metrics to put in, right? So click on this button here, just in case you didn't see the first time. Click on custom filters, then you're gonna see a bunch of things to change. Right here where it says chain, choose Solana, because Solana is where most of the coins are. We also have on Ethereum, but I highly recommend Solana because of the low gas fee, right? Then the next you want to choose is exchange. You want to use an exchange that has high volume, but I'll just leave it at all exchanges. Now under total liquidity, you want to put about 20,000, that's 20k here, so this is 20k. Then under volume, you want to put at least a million and above, 20k and above. Then where it says swaps, you want to put 110k and above, right? Then you scroll down to the bottom where it says created, so you want to go for coins that have been created just recently. So you put 1 day. You can also switch it to minutes, to hours, to months, but I highly recommend you go with 1 day because 1 day is enough. So once this is done, you can now click on filter, then it's going to filter based on your criteria. So now that this is done, you want to also sort it in ascending or descending order. As you can see, this is descending order, 10 hours, 20 hours ago. So the earliest is at the top, right? So you want to also click on each of this coin. You can copy the wallet address. Now that you've seen that these coins are actually okay to go by, as you can see, you won't see anyone that has been robbed. So you want to go check out these coins one by one. You can check it out by clicking on the coin. What you're looking for are some things like their social media handles and their wallet address, right? Because you want to find out as much information as possible about this coin, right? So at the top here, this is where you're going to see the link to this particular coin. I usually use the other two called Dex Screener for this because they list the links better than this other two, but this two also is useful. So if you want to copy, you can copy the wallet address, right? As you copy the wallet address, you head over to Rug Checker. This is a website that allows you to check if it is a rug or not. So I'm going to paste the wallet address here, then I'm going to click on check, then it's going to play and show you if it is a rug or not. Now there are some things that will tell you if a coin is a rug or not. But the first thing is when just one person is holding too much of that coin, then you know that it is a rug, right? So this is the Trump Pearl. As you can see, at this point it's showing good, okay, good. So but just notice that there are still some other things like liquidity, which is not very high, low liquidity providers, meaning that the people that are providing liquidity are not much, and that could also lead to it being rugged. But with that aside, you need to also place this on your tab since it's not showing that it's a rug. So that's basically how to go about it. So for you to work with many pairs at a time, you don't have to open them one by one. All you have to do is click on the button that says right click and open in a new tab. So you can right click on this and open it in a new tab, right click on the second one, open in a new tab, like that, like that, like that. So once you open all this in a new tab, then you can now individually check the coins to see whether they are legit or not. So let's say I've opened like 4. So basically what you're going to be doing next is that you're going to be checking them one by one. Also, you can copy the wallet address from dextools.io and head over to Dex Screener as well to search for the particular coin you want. So I can paste the wallet address here. I can paste it here like this, Ctrl V, and hit enter, and it's going to open up the particular coin and show me. As you can see, this is Trump Pearl. It has done about 900%, and if you got in early, you would have made about 900%. I actually made a video about this earlier today, and those people that jumped on it would have made a lot of profit, right? So that is something you can also do. So you can check to see whether there is a good setup. Yeah, so another thing you want to look out for when you open up the page is the setup. You want to check if it has already done the pump, because you don't want to enter when it's at the top already, because the only place that is left to go is down. So you don't want to enter when it's at the top already. You want to see increasing volume. What I mean by increasing volume, if you go down memory lane where this pump happened, you see that right from this point down to this point we had mostly green. Everybody was buying. But what I mean by increasing volume is when the volume starts from small and starts progressing upwards. That is a solid buy signal. This is not a very good example. I'm going to look for a good example for you. Okay, something like this one right here. So this was down, so the volume started going upwards down to up to this point. So this is a good example here. But decreasing volume is when it started from up and is now going down like this. So this is not a good time to enter the market. I would not recommend anybody should enter the market now, because obviously some people are FOMOing in, but like I said, the people that have made the most out of this have already made the most out of it, and they are pulling out their money, they are selling, and they are taking profit. And you don't want to be in the way, because you're going to be the one to take the losses when they are taking their profit, right? So we have other coins. Like I said, if I open other pages like this Pepe coin, you're going to see that they have details about it. You can check their X account, you can check their website from the top. Like I said, basically what you are checking for is to see if they even made any effort to create a website, okay? Because rogues, they don't really care about their socials, right? They just pump for a while and make few dollars and they're out, while serious projects actually go ahead to create a website, create a Twitter account, create Telegram pages, Instagram pages, and other social media. So let me just right click on this and open it in a new tab to give you an idea of what I mean. So this is for Pepe Gold. So let's see what their website looks like. So as you can see, they have an official website, even a .com, right? They have a .com website. It's a very basic website though. I wish they had put in much effort to actually make it about something. But this goes along with to tell you that these people are quite serious about the coin. So what next you want to do is copy their wallet address and head over to check if they are rogue, like I said. So you head over to rogue checker, go back to the home page, paste the PP coin here, then check if it is a rogue. Now this is not the only website that you can use to check if it is a rogue. We have other websites. Basically what you want to do is check if one person has too much volume. You can use coin market cap to check the people that are holding the coins at every point in time. When you see that one person is holding too much of the coin, that is a red flag. Another tool you can use is this tool called bubble maps. So bubble maps is where you can paste the coin and you can see how many people are holding, exchanges that are holding the coin, and you can now decide if this is a rogue or not. So let's just allow this to load so you get an idea of what I mean. So depending on what coin you're searching for, you want to switch to the chain coin is on. As you can see, we are currently working with the Solana chain. So I'm going to go here and paste their contract, the wallet address or the contract address here. Then we are going to see the people that are holding this particular coin, right? So we head over to the home page, then here where it says wallet address, symbol, ticker, and the rest, you paste and you hit enter. If it doesn't come up here, then it means that it hasn't been listed on there, or it hasn't been indexed. So let me check my rogue checker. It hasn't been listed too, so that is also a bad sign. So I'm not going to do much with this because it is not showing up and I can't really tell if it's a coin to go for or not. So you're going to check other coins. So let me still try one more time. It's the same thing, it's loading, it's taking forever to load. Let's try this last one, keyed. Let's try this keyed coin and see if it's going to go well. So I'm going to copy their wallet address. I'm going to go to this website. I really want you to see how to use this other platform, since you've already known how to use the other one. It's not showing. So on this website it says nothing found, but on this other website it actually showed me. So you can actually see that it's giving you a danger signal that this is dangerous to trade. So you want to stay clear of coins like this, because there is mint authority enabled, meaning that the owner of this project can decide to mint and mint and mint and devalue your money, and they don't want that. They can also freeze your asset and prevent you from taking out your asset. And also there is low amount of people providing liquidity for this particular coin. So that is basically how to go about it. So all you have to do is make sure that this is green, and once this is green, the next you want to check for is their socials. Make sure that they have like a good culture, a good following. Make sure that they have people actually following them on their social media platform. Like this one right here did not even bother creating a website or a Twitter page, so this is a red flag. So you can close this. Check another one. Yeah, so this one looks like it has already rogged, it has already done the pump, and it has dumped. Classic, but it can still pump again in future because it's having a higher low. But basically you want to get these coins early. So if I copy their wallet address, I want to see something, copy their wallet address and paste it here. Let's see if these people can confirm that it has been rogged, just to prove a point to you all. So as you can see, it's dangerous. Okay, still the same. That's not the one I intended to copy. So let's try that again. Okay, so it's showing good here, so it means that you can actually still put this on your watch list and make sure that you enter when there is a good setup. Right now the setup I'm seeing is not good enough for me to actually enter, but I can just nonchalantly put like $1 or $2 and hope that it goes up, because if $1 goes up by 10,000 times, that's $10,000, right? So you get the idea. So you can still put something here and just something you're not afraid of losing, and just observe it and see where the market goes. So that's it for the second part, which is finding the strong memes and researching the strong memes. So researching has to do with you checking their website, like I said, checking their socials, checking the people that are following them on all social media platforms, and I showed you how to go about it. You can do that by checking at the top here for dextools.io. Then for this other website, Dex Screener, all you have to do is head over to this place and you can see their website, you see their Twitter, you can see their Telegram, right? If I open the website on a new tab, you're gonna see, then at the bottom you can see the narrative here, what it's all about. So you can read all about it here and see if it's something that you yourself can connect to. If you can connect to it, then a lot of people out there too as well can connect, and that is why this one has been doing well. Today it has been trending like crazy, and obviously it's the US election is close by, and we all know why everything is happening the way they are happening. So look at from 4 o'clock today to this time, right? This is crazy, right? So it gives you an idea of what I mean. So I made a video about this actually in the morning. So imagine you entering somewhere here and leaving somewhere here. You would have made a lot of money, and even though you just leave here, remember there are also techniques to take your profit, and that's the next step I'm going to be talking about. So this is legit, and a lot of people make a lot of money from this. So this is what the Trump website looks like. As you can see, they put a lot of effort to show you that it has been burned, the liquidity is 100% burned, the quantity is here and the rest, there's no tax and the rest. So people are actually happy with this, and they are riding with it, and that is what you want to look out for. The effort that they've put into promotion, the effort that they've put into marketing. If you check their Twitter page, open this in a new tab. Sorry, this video is getting long, but I have to just take my time to explain this. So as you can see, this is an account that just was created maybe yesterday or so. As you can see, they just have few followers, about 1,000, but they have a good engagement and the rest. So this was based on some other coins. Like there are a lot of variants of this particular coin, but everything is based on the fact that Trump is trending and the rest. So there are a lot of meme coins that were developed just a day or two after the whole trending incident. So that's basically how to research this. So basically, when you're researching, you're checking for the culture, you're checking for the narrative, you're checking for the amount of followers they have on all social media platforms. You're looking for a number that cannot be faked. 1,000 can be faked, 100,000 to an extent can be faked, but when you talk about millions, it can't really be faked, right? So once you see a coin that is having about 500,000 upwards, then you know that that coin is supposed to be watched or placed on your watch list. The next thing we want to talk about is the best meme coin buying strategy, right? The best meme coin buying strategy. So you don't just jump into meme coins, you have to actually enter at the right time. Now, a lot of people, when they see meme coins pumping, they go ahead to buy somewhere here in the middle. What if this is a resistant area and it rogs you? So basically what you want to do is to look at the market and look for strong areas of resistance and support. So we have this area right here where it dipped, right? And after it dipped here, it went and it's got a rejection. So this is a strong area of resistance and support. So now that it has broken this area, there is a high potential that if it breaks it a second time, there is going to be a significant pump as well, right? If it breaks it a second time, as you can see, it has been trailing and it has gotten a rejection, gotten a rejection. If it breaks this area of resistance again, then you can just ride with it and know that the next time it's going to get a rejection is somewhere around here. If it breaks this, it will just be going as well, right? So that's basically it. So from the volume, you can see that the volume is significant, so it means that something is accumulating here, and at any time, whenever I see a market trailing sideways, there's bound to be a pump upwards or downwards. So you want to always trade when the market is down and not up, because when it's up, when it goes down, you lose all your money. But when it's down and it's close to a resistance, a support area, for example somewhere like here where it went down and it got here and it got a relief and it bounced back up, if you had bought here then and waited, it would have gone down and gone down, but at the end of the day it would have gone back up, and at the end of the day it would have gone in your favor, right? So you want to trade around strong areas of support and not strong areas of resistance, right? So you want to buy when it is at an area of support, and you can check that from the history. Now once you've bought and you've made up to 2x, I'm not talking 100x, 2x, you want to sell off your profit and make sure that you've secured your money back. That way you are trading with just pure profit, right? You're trading with pure profit. It has gotten another rejection. So once you're trading with pure profit, then you can care less if it drugs you or not, right? But if it continues pumping in your favor, then at every significant area of resistance where it gets a rejection like this, you want to take about 25% out of it to make sure that you don't lose much. And if it continues going up, you take another 25%, then when it's remaining just a little amount, then you can just leave it to run irrespective of whether it goes up or it comes down. You've made enough profit to actually leave the market. So that's basically the best option. So I'm going to open this and show you what I mean just with a diagram. So let's say the market is going up like this, and it comes down and it goes up and it comes down and it goes up and it comes down and it goes up and it goes up and it comes down like this and it goes up and it comes down like this. Now whenever there is an area of support like this and the market breaks it like this, obviously you know that something spectacular happened, that you don't want to trade at that period because the market had been manipulated. Most times before the market can break this region, it has to actually do some testing and accumulate some momentum before it can break downwards, right? So but when you see it cut through a former area of resistance like that, then you know that maybe there is a whale somewhere that have dumped on the market, right? And that has impacted the market significantly, and that is why initially we had to use tools like, let me show you this tool. That's why we had to use tools like Banter Bubble to show you, not Banter Bubble, we had to use tool like this to show you. So let me just reset search and search for something like dog with. So let me just give you an idea of what I mean. So once this loads up, you're gonna see this, and you're gonna see the people that are holding this. Once you see big circles like this, and it is not an exchange like Binance, it is an individual, then you want to run away from that coin, because once an individual is holding too much of a coin, then that person can actually manipulate the market in their favor, right? So even Binance, as big as they are not even holding up to 50%, which is a good thing. A major exchange holding just 17% is a good thing. So you have to look around, and all these things are indicators that will tell you if it is a rug or not. So that is basically for the trading aspect. So you want to take your profit little by little by little by little, and you take your profit when it has topped off. So how do you know when a market has topped off? So when a market has topped off is when the market is no longer going upwards, when it is about to reverse and be rugged, right? So you want to, for you to know that, is quite simple. It's like one of the simplest things to actually know. Once you see the volume reducing like this, you want to be cautious. You want to start taking out your profit. But when you see the volume increasing like this, then you know that the market is rallying, right? So you take your profit when you see that they have started, the volume has started reducing drastically. You take your profit, and you don't take your profit completely, because it can just be a fake out. You take your profit in bit by bit. So you take like 25%, 25%. But remember, initially, once you make it 2x, you want to take 50%. So if you had $100, you would have made an extra your $100 back, and the remaining $100 can now run for you, right? So that's basically how to go about it. I'm going to be making a video particularly to show you how to use these tools, in like dedicated video to show you how to use these tools one by one. And I hope this video has been helpful. If it has been helpful to you, do well to also show me support by subscribing to my channel. Share this video to as many friends as you can. Have a nice day, and I love you guys. Bye.